Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and turn on line wrapping selection on command prompt in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So to enable line wrapping selection, firstly click on start, then type CMD. Click on best match this command prompt application. Now right click on this top bar, click on properties. Here is the option enable line wrapping selection. So just check this box. You need to select this checkbox for turn on and enable line wrapping selection. Then click on OK. That's all. So by this quick method we can enable and turn on line wrapping selection on command prompt in Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching.